In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create a Google form just like this one you're looking at, right? So you want to go to docs.google.com/forms. So I'm just going to step back to the Forms home by selecting the home icon. Here you have a bunch of different templates that you can actually use. So let's say contact information, and you can see that the form is already done for you. So to create your own, I'm just going to step back and then select blank form, provide a title for your form, and then you can just provide a description. And here you'll specify your question or instruction, right? So you can choose a type of responses, whether it be multiple choice, a checkbox, a drop down, a file upload, or even a short answer. So let's select short answer. So I'm just gonna say describe yourself, and then you can edit the options, right? To add another question or instruction, select add question. I'm just going to say question 2, and then you can choose whether it be short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, right? I'm just going to keep that as multiple choice. For option 1, I'm just going to say A. Option 2, I'm just going to be saying B. Now you should get the gist, right? And then you have the option to mark a question as required or not. And that's basically it. So to go ahead and send out the form, you can just select send, right? And you have the option to collect email, as well as you could capture the email and the form. So I'm going to say do not collect. I'm just going to copy this link, select shorten to get the short link. Now let's just copy this link and paste it in the browser, and you see what it looks like. So Immerversity, short description, those are the options, and that's a question and answer. Right, let's go back and edit the form. So this should have been a short answer. So I've adjusted it, right? Save, let's go back to the form and refresh. Let's select send again, get the new link, shorten, copy. Now there's the description box where you can type the description. So there are a wide variety of options that you can select for your questions. You just select the one that you need. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.